In this video you will find out how to whiten your teeth at home naturally. Welcome to my channel Munir Health. We provides daily videos on a wide range on health issues. The following 11 amazing way you can whiten your teeth naturally. Number 1. How to whiten teeth effectively at home with strawberries. Scientific evidence suggests strawberries are one of the most effective ways to whiten teeth at home. The strawberry contains an enzyme called malic acid and is rich in vitamin C. The above ingredients help remove surface stains and clean plaque on the teeth. In addition to the bleaching effect, regular strawberries can remove tartar and whiten teeth, making them stronger. Preparation: how to whiten teeth with strawberries is quite simple. Crush a strawberry into a paste with a little baking soda or your usual toothpaste to brush your teeth 1 to 2 times a week. Strawberries when combined with baking soda bleach your teeth to whiten them quickly, fastest and most thorough. You can also choose a more gentle and interesting way of whitening your teeth than eating strawberries. For best results, chew thoroughly in your mouth before swallowing, or rub gently on the face and teeth with a strawberry to gently whiten your teeth. 2. How to whiten teeth at home quickly by burning bread crust. When burned, the bread will turn into carbon, acting like activated carbon, can remove stubborn plaque on teeth effectively. Preparation: burn one or several slices of bread, scrape off the burnt part and grind very small. You can do a lot, then put in a sealed glass box to store and use for the next time. Each time, you take a little bit of burnt bread dough, mix with daily toothpaste and brush over the crown. Take care to brush evenly so that the powder works across the teeth and the crowns. After brushing, rinse mouth with clean water to remove remaining plaque. 3. How to whiten teeth at home by simple banana skin. It's hard to believe that bananas are at the top of the list of home whitening options. This is a simple and effective way to whiten your teeth at home, which will make you really surprised. Preparation: peel the banana peels into long pieces, about the width of the crown. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub the teeth surface for about 5 minutes, brush along the length of the fibers on the banana skin. Then, brush your teeth again with a regular brush to remove plaque and banana fibers that remain in the oral cavity. Persistently use a whitening method with banana peels at night before going to bed and before brushing your teeth. After 1 week, the condition of yellowing plaque improved significantly. After 2 weeks, the teeth will be shinier. 4. Tips for whitening teeth at home naturally with baking soda. This is one of the most common methods of whitening. For best results, combine baking soda with lemon juice. The chemical reaction of baking soda and lemon juice is great for whitening teeth as both are mild forms of bleach. However, since both have the bleaching effect, when combined, these two ingredients can erode your enamel. You should only apply this method 1 to 2 times per week. If you feel like irritation of the gums, you should stop using immediately. Preparation: mix a little baking soda with fresh lemon juice. The original mixture will bubble up slightly. Use a cotton swab to remove excess saliva and plaque from your teeth before applying the paste to your teeth. Leave for 1 minute and then brush your teeth as usual. Be careful not to leave the mixture on your teeth for more than a minute. You can also apply this mixture to your teeth, brush gently and rinse your mouth with clean water. 5. How to whiten teeth at home with high-speed coconut oil. Vegetable oil works very well in maintaining oral health. Normally, people often use coconut oil or olive oil to whiten teeth. Preparation: you take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in your mouth, pushing the oil through your teeth between 15 to 20 minutes. After spitting the oil out, rinse your mouth clean with water and drink 2 to 3 glasses of filtered water. Not only does it help whiten teeth, but it also helps to clean your oral cavity, effectively overcome dental diseases. 6. The most effective way to whiten folk teeth with salt. Salt not only helps kill bacteria but also makes teeth brighter if persevered daily. This method is not only simple, economical but also very effective and safe. Preparation: if you are a busy person, just sprinkle a few salt on a toothbrush and brush all over the surface of the tooth. Be very careful to avoid damaging the enamel and causing tooth decay. In addition, rinsing the salt water daily also significantly improves tooth color. Consistent implementation: you not only own shiny white teeth but also troublesome oral problems are pushed back. 7. Increase your intake of crunchy fruits and vegetables to help whiten your teeth naturally. Apples, celery, carrots and all other crunchy greens are good for your teeth. Crispy fruits or vegetables act like natural toothbrushes. When you chew, it also removes leftovers and bacteria in the mouth as well as scrubbing surface stains. Not only does the texture eliminate food scraps and bacteria, but the acid in fruits and vegetables also actually keeps teeth whiter. For example, apples contain malic acid, also found in strawberries, that removes surface stains. Preparation: chewing an apple, a carrot, or a broccoli in your mouth carefully increases the friction between food and the tooth surface and makes even the most stubborn stains gradually peel off or fade away. Significantly, this method does not limit the number of times you can perform it at any time of the day. 8. Use hydrogen peroxide to make teeth whitening simply and effectively. Hydrogen peroxide is a common ingredient in whitening toothpastes. The chemical properties of hydrogen peroxide prevent the growth of bacteria, which can help prevent infection and bad breath, thereby preventing plaque, making teeth whiter. Preparation: simply rinse your mouth with hydrogen peroxide (FGHP) in your mouth for a few seconds and then spit it out. If mixed with water ratio 50-50, can rinse about 60 seconds. Afterwards, make sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly with clean water. Do not let hydrogen peroxide work too long in the oral cavity, which can cause soft tissue inflammation. 9. How to whiten teeth with rice water. Simple. You may be too familiar with the use of rice water to moisturize the skin, but ignore the excellent whitening effect of this material. In water, rice contains a lot of different vitamins, which not only work to change the positive tooth color but also protect the oral cavity from the attack of pathogenic bacteria. Preparation: squeeze the juice of rice water, the deposition below, then brush the entire tooth and massage for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse your mouth with clean water. You can perform this method every day for the best effect. 10. Whitening at home effectively with lemon peel. If lemon juice can be combined with baking soda to whiten teeth, lemon peel also brings significant effects to the aesthetics of the entire jaw mold. Lemon peel contains pectin, Ca pectate 26.2%, T-flavonoid compound 0.55 to 0.75%, works to clean the plaque on teeth dull or yellow. Preparation: you remove the lemon peel to clean the dust. Do not wash thoroughly because it can lose the amount of essential oil in the peel. Bring lemon zest to dry and grind finely, can be stored to use. Each time you use this whitening method, you take a little lemon peel powder mixed with clean water into a solid mixture and brush on the teeth. Then rinse your mouth with clean water. 11. How to whiten teeth at home with activated carbon. Activated carbon is a form of carbon, whose surface is the pores that can absorb extremely good stains. Therefore, many people have used activated carbon to whiten teeth at home. Preparation: prepare a powdered activated carbon. First, apply toothpaste on the brush. Then sprinkle on the activated carbon powder. Brush your teeth with activated carbon for 5 minutes, perform 3 times per week. After only about 1 to 2 weeks you will see more shiny teeth. We hope this information is useful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment about the video. So, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to get the latest videos.